Morning guys, it's November 12th, 2025. I got a call from a lady I've worked for in the past, and she's got a problem with her leak under her kitchen sink. I guess it's dripping downstairs on a dryer. She thinks it's coming from the kitchen sink drain, from what she said. So we'll go over there and see if I can find out what's going on over there. It's a leaker, so who knows? I mean, it might be the faucet dripping, might be the drain, might be the piping in the wall, downstairs, who knows? We'll go figure it out. Another damsel in distress. It's the toilet. Yeah, that's it right there. It's a dripper. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely the toilet leaking.
Oh no.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna have to pull the toilet. I can see it dripping. See it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Pull the toilet. No, I just gotta do my thing here.
You're the expert.
Pull the water out of it, and I can pull the toilet off and change the wax. Huh?
How much is it to fix the wax, if it's the wax?
Well, you're gonna pay me for my labor and for whatever I need to fix it.
Right.
Plumbers aren't cheap here, you know.
Oh, I know. You're always like, it's good to be able to call a plumber.
You're like a lawyer, you only call them when you need them.
Yeah, I like that I stay away from stuff like that. So is that like a big costly investment, or
It's not that big of a deal.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, you told me I'm clean, so that's why I'm asking.
I wouldn't sweat it. Well, she's all flipping loosey-goosey here. It's not good. Oh, that's not looking good. That's not right. funnel wax there. funnel wax, that's the problem. There's our problem right there. That's the problem. He's not looking the greatest, so I got new bolts in there too. Here's the leaker. Needed a good new wax, a new set of bolts, and we'll try it again.
Okay.
Needs a tune-up. What happens when you get old? You need a tune-up.
Yeah, I think we had that for a while. I can't remember.
Gotta go to therapy. Your mother's going to have her knee fixed?
Yeah, she was having a hard time finding like a good referral. So she found the referral like towards the Cape. And she's going in for evaluation again this week. And they think she needs the knee surgery.
She needs knee surgery?
Yeah, she's already done like injections.
Yeah, so she's gonna go to Plan B there, huh?
Yeah, they're like $500 you gotta pay. The insurance doesn't cover it for the injections and they didn't work.
The injections didn't work, no.
No. So she's gonna need knee surgery probably and then physical therapy.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so that's gonna be tough for her.
Oh, good. All right, we're gonna get that right in the middle there. Hot water. dust bunnies from hell here on the back of the dust bunnies from hell here. Behind the toilet.
Oh. Wow.
Get them off.
I have those Lysol wipes.
Well, I'm here, right? You want to do the wipes? All right.
There you go.
Give me a couple.
Take whatever you need.
Don't be cheap.
Oh. Yeah, no. There we go.
That's good.
Yeah, I didn't want to take a shower before you came because I didn't know if there was something wrong with the pipes. I didn't wash the dishes either. I was like kind of waiting.
All right, that's good. While I'm here, I mean, I might as well give it a good clean in here.
Yeah, use whatever you need.
So that's gonna be good. Just like that. Wow. I'll give you a lot of room here, but that wax is gonna I gotta go more. I hope things loose. She's loose as a goose, mama. Right. I can heat that wax up so it makes it soft. All right, go ahead. Yeah, I don't see it leaking, so that's good. Been leaking for a while here. Shit all over. Shit water. Once it fills, you're gonna flush it one more time. Go ahead, try it again. I don't see it leaking, so that's good. Ain't leaking. No more leaks. I mean, the thing's been leaking for a while.
That was it?
That was it.
That was what was wrong with it?
Yeah, the wax.
Oh, okay, so we'll have to clean all that off.
I would. I mean, it's all
else is it? Is it on the pipes too?
No, right, all this brown stuff here is probably, you know,
Oh, on the
I would
wash.
definitely wash that.
Yeah, I can clean that. How about the pipe?
I wouldn't worry about the pipe, no, it's fine. It's just been leaking for a bit here. It wouldn't hurt to give it a paper towel, you know.